Is that yours? Everything is yours. So Ploppers is a very interesting cat. Come here. Because he actually likes a couple things, which is strange. And you could take him and roll him. But a lot of times, well, I should say every cat I've ever had, they always start to get feisty and they don't want their belly rubbed. And they'll start biting your hand. He does not ever. He just wants his belly rubbed and rubbed and rubbed and rubbed, and he does not bite and he does not claw. And in fact, the girls will grab him and throw him over their shoulder like a sack of potatoes, and he will just take it all. He has never ever used his claws, ever, no matter what you do to him. He scratches with them on his post, but he has never scratched us. And you can get in his face, and you can do whatever you want, and he just, you can't get him to be feisty at all. He's just a big ploppy lug, aren't you? Aren't you? What are we playing?
Animal Crossing.
But it's school day.
We don't care. Who cares?
So, I was sleeping peacefully.
Yeah.
You guys were sleeping peacefully. What woke you up?
And I woke up and woke up me.
Yeah, but what woke you up? Because I know what woke me up.
The cat.
Yeah.
The cat woke me
The cat
up.
was crying and crying and crying all morning. What are you doing? What do you want, Plops? What do you want, Plops?
Food.
Food? Did you not feed him last night?
No one fed him last night.
What do you want, Plops?
We want food because there's no food.
There's no food?
There's no food. Someone gotta go buy him food. No food. No food. There's no food anywhere.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, it would have been nice for someone to tell me that you guys are out of food to feed him. You're responsible for feeding the cat.
You! I did it like I told you 2 days ago.
You did not. You didn't tell me anything.
I did.
No, you didn't. So we gotta go out. We need to go get that guy some food.
He's a chubby. He's gonna eat the big hamster. He's a big hamster.
Well, that's his name. Wherever he goes, he just plops. Plop, plop, plop.
That's what we actually adopted him. Yeah, paradise. What are you doing?
I don't think he's having a lot of fun. I don't think he's having a lot of fun, babe.
Okay, bring it along. My Oreo. Don't you dare.
Go get dressed. That looks adorable and a little warm. Good. It's cold outside.
I'm wearing dinosaurs.
I think your outfit is extinct.
Well, they're dinosaurs.
Yeah, you're extinct.
I love them. They're the best.
What's wrong?
Cold!
You don't need to scream.
Oh my god.
It's super warm in here.
No, it ain't! I can't even get my seat. That's not even your seatbelt. I can't. It is freezing. Guys, you shouldn't come here. It's freezing. In winter. And then it's super hot in summer.
There's not even snow on the ground today.
Oh yeah, it's freezing. It's weather.
Okay, where are we headed?
We're going to PetSmart.
No, we're not.
What?
Nope. We aren't going there. We go to independent retailer, small business, especially right now.
Wait, why?
Because that's where Plopper's cat food is. But it is cold outside, and we were not supposed to go out today. So that's a little bit of a bummer.
And we don't have masks.
Yes, we do. I have a mask. Well, maybe you don't, but you can just stay in the car because I'm just going to run in. That would probably be the safer bet anyway. I'll just run right in, grab it because it's right there in front. They'll hold it for me, and we'll go get his food.
Yeah, but why do you have to be masked? Like,
If I leave you guys home alone, you will probably get trapped by the wet bandits.
but no. They don't even exist.
Oh, they do. You just didn't
No,
know.
actually, they really do. I looked up, do the wet bandits exist? And like, yes.
See?
Home Alone is
They
a real
exist.
Movie, and it did happen.
There you go. Totally true.
It was totally true. They did forget a child at home.
I can forget you guys here while we go back to California.
No! No, don't you dare.
Oh.
Oh, wait, yay. Then the food you leave, you eat.
I'm not going to leave you any food.
You!
Hey, in the movie, he went out and shopped on his own. He went and got his own food.
Yeah, but you guys are not gonna leave your wallets and money out.
Well, he went and stole Buzz's money, so you guys can steal each other's money and go get
We don't
food.
even have money. My money is all the way at Nana's.
Uh-oh. Well, that's going to be a problem.
So guys, cat food. Catty food. Yep.
What else we get?
We got some catnip toys that smell horrible. Because they have catnip in them. Guys, please, if you want to smell catnip, it smells gross. I think it's...
You gave him his toys.
Yeah, he likes them. What is that?
Oh.
Oh, so cute. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. He loves the green one. He's like, this is mine from now on. For some reason, he likes the green one. I don't know. He doesn't like the pink one. Oh, he hasn't played for like in days.
What does that smell?
Cookies?
Evangeline, your feet stink.
No, they don't.
Yeah,
They smell.
they smell like dirty shoe.
They smell like dirty socks.
Yes. Did you put a dirty sock on to go out?
Yes.
Oh,
No, actually, I didn't put
goodness
any
gracious.
socks on. I didn't put any socks on.
Evangeline.
That's gross.
There you go.
Ready? Oh my god. The most the best. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. I'm gonna do a video where we like try to survive with only a couple items. Oh, yo. You have to survive with only a couple items that you have picked out. And one of these items is gonna be cat food. Wait, we have to survive in the bathroom.
Perfect. One scoop was fine.
But he's hungry. He's hungry. Oh no, he's not hungry. That's enough. We didn't feed him.
Seal it up.
I want to try one. No.
You want to try cat food, Gibble? Go for it. You can try one. It won't hurt you.
Oh god, no. She actually ate that.
Well. Evangeline.
Oh! Tastes like dry turkey. That's all it tastes like. No sausage. Right here.
Well, Ploppers eat it. It can't be that bad, right?
Yeah, so you eat about that. Pretty much it just tastes like you're happy. Eat it first. It just tastes like turkey. It's pretty good. The aftertaste, it just, I don't like the aftertaste. It tastes a little kind of. Ew! After. Oh my god, it's so gross. I can't.
Okay.
I quit.
I can't see.
It tasted like turkey.
How was that?
It tastes like turkey. No,
Amelia.
It tastes like turkey.
Amelia.
That. How about we do a challenge?
Yes?
I brought 0 food.
Yes, Amelia?
I brought 0 food, but then we have to eat the cat food. I'll eat turkey any day. I'll eat cat food, turkey every day. I get some ketchup. That thing is gross. Well, to the cat, it's like.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like it smells and a little bit of taste of turkey. I would rather eat a chicken leg. Because like a chicken butt. I have a good idea.
So you want to? I can get chicken feet. You want to eat a chicken foot?
Oh, Daddy, I have a good idea. We have to try to survive. Please. Can you give me one cookie? I have a cookie.
To get the taste out of your mouth?
Yes.
You can have a cookie.
Guys, you can, if you have a cat, go ahead and try. But first, we buy him a special kind. Yes. So maybe my cookies are the best thing to get that out of your mouth. That is so gross. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna get a plate. And I'm gonna make dinner. And you have to be very quiet. You can't tell mommy at all. When we do dinner, we're gonna have fish tacos. But we're gonna put a plate for mommy with a little bit of cat food. And tell her we all ate it, and so she has to try it. How do you think that's gonna go?
And she's like, just a taco, okay.
Should we put the cat food in her taco? Hey. Where are you going, Plop Plops? Do you smell fish?
And then I got you this t-shirt too.
You smell fish?
Oh.
Bye, mister.
You want to read it?
Huh?
I got you this shirt too.
Why did she get all the...
Because, you know what? I went to go pack her, and she had like 3 long
You got food now.
and nothing else. It says, keep going.
You're welcome.
Oh, babe. Oh, my God. When I come back there, I don't want to say.
How many cookies have you guys had today?
One. Yeah, we had. Yeah. Because like, it tastes like dry. And you know what? I hated it. It tastes like dry turkey. That is delicious. No, it's gross.
No, put that there because we're gonna eat.
Is it good?
It's always good. I love fish tacos.
Good.
Daddy, you're supposed to do the prank.
What prank?
Remember? That one.
Yeah?
That's true.
What?
That's boring. Cabbage. It's cabbage.
What's that?
Cabbage. It's cat food. It's cat food. It's cat food.
Really? You
It's
wait.
cat food. It's cat food.
Oh, they're gross. I thought it was bone. Did you have to try both of them?
No.
No, do yours.
Was it good?
Well, it was good until I crunched down on what I thought was bone.
It's not bone, it's just fishy.